wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car cleaning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Listen, we're not encouraging horseplay during a car wash, but you'll be hard-pressed to avoid a soap fight with the Chemical Guy's Foam Blaster. The gun attaches to a garden hose, giving you a powerful stream of suds that will make quick work of dirt and debris. It's good at removing bugs from grills and ideal for larger vehicles. However, the nozzle tends to leak. At number 9, the only things missing from the Turtle Wax 5-piece are a bucket and some water. You get soap, wax, protectant and a can of tire shine, plus a premium microfiber towel. And everything's laid out nicely too, making it an easy paint-by-numbers way to beautify your jalopy. It's ideal for a starter set and shields cars from sun damage, but the wax lasts only a couple of washes. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Keeping the dust off is important, but people really judge you based on how the interior looks. If you have non-fabric seats, lexol leather will keep everything fresh and clean, while also protecting both them and the dash from fading or cracking. It doesn't leave things greasy and works well on any leather products. However, it's not good for caked-on dirt. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, keeping your windshield clean and streak-free is a full-time job, and Invisible Glass Premium helps make that task a little less stressful. The pack contains 3 separate cans of spray as well as multiple cloths, so your vision will always be as clear as possible. It requires almost no elbow grease and dries incredibly quickly, but it doesn't work well with paper towels. Moving up our list to number 6. Griot's Garage Starter is a basic kit, but it's quite good at being that. The Speed Shine helps fill in the gaps between washes, and the wheel cleaner will have your rims blinding everyone on your commute, which may not be a good thing, come to think of it. It's safe for all paint jobs, and the ingredients are biodegradable. However, it is expensive for what you get. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're truly serious about your car's appearance, then it's a good idea to shell out for Adams Polishes Essentials. It's extremely expensive, but if you show off your ride at auto expos, this is something your competitors won't want you to have. Everything can be stored in its bucket, and the drying towel is fantastic, but it doesn't include a wheel cleaner. At number 4, there are only 3 products inside the Lucas Oil Slick Mist, but that's more than enough to cover all your bases. You get speed wax and tire shine, and the interior doesn't get ignored either, thanks to the can of detailing provided. The wax dries quickly and won't leave a greasy residue, and the tire dressing is top-notch. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. As the name suggests, Trinova Complete has everything you need to keep your hoopty looking top-notch. There's a large bottle of shampoo that's extremely concentrated, so you only need a little bit, and then you can follow it up with a ton of specialized washes and waxes. It comes with easy-to-use rubber applicators, and it all smells good. The detailer removes most scuffs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while dark cars are undoubtedly sexy, they're a pain to keep clean, unless you have Chemical Guy's black car. Everything from the towels to the foam applicators is super soft, so you don't need to worry about accidentally scratching your paint job. It leaves a formidable shine and makes each wash last. It's great for dusty locations. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Meguiar's Complete has been thoughtfully assembled to help you keep your ride looking flawless, including wash, wax and detailer. It's equally adept at quick touch-ups as it is for complete makeovers, so you'll be sure to impress whenever you roll up in your whip. It includes multiple microfiber towels and is great for use on interiors. The claying bar removes contaminants. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video.